Hey, what's up, YouTube family? With God the Prophet here. Some of you may know I only been doing this for a few months now, running a dumpster rental company. Those who are new to the channel, I think it's been about 3 months now, going on 4 months that I've been running a dumpster rental business. And in the 4 months I've been doing this, I realized that if this dumpster rental business is going to be your only business, then you got to maximize your profits by adding services to your business. Now, if you got a dumpster rental business or you're starting a dumpster rental business and you just doing a dumpster rental business on the side, then you can just do dumpster rental business. Or if you got other businesses, or if you got other things you got to do where your time is needed, then you don't really need extra services to maximize your dumpster rental business. You know, you can just rent out dumpsters on the side and make extra money. But if you plan on growing this business and making it your full-time job like I am, then you must add services to your business. I realize that. Now, I'm going to talk about the type of services you can add to maximize your profits. I'm going to talk about the type of services I do to maximize my profits. So make sure y'all watch the video. I got to run into Harbor Freight and grab a couple of things, and then we're going to get to it. Tip of the day, make sure you get you some gloves. You need gloves. Gloves is just one of the expenses that I have. Not the flashlight. The flashlight was a personal thing, but the gloves, this is what I buy. I probably get this once a month. So I spend about $24 a month on gloves, roughly, give or take. I want to show y'all something real quick. Never put all the weight on the tongue of your trailer. This is very, very dangerous. Hope y'all can see that. This is very, very dangerous. Look at that. Maybe he's going to pick up something else and put it on the back, but he should have loaded this stuff in the middle. This is dangerous right there. Not only is this dangerous, it's tearing up his truck too. I think he got a 1/4 ton truck, but never do that. I don't even know how you guys can see. Like, you see how low that is to the ground? If something catch on to that, it can make the trailer sway. Like, this is very dangerous. Never do that. So, maximizing your profits by adding services to your business. So if you're just starting a dumpster rental business, you don't have to immediately add a service. I just want you to keep it in the back of your mind and kind of pay attention to the market and see what's a need in your area. You're going to be going to a lot of construction sites. You're going to be dealing with a lot of businesses. You're going to be dealing with apartment complexes. You're going to be dealing with residential homes. Think about the type of service you can add to help those different people that you may deal with. For example, construction sites. When you go to a construction site, you're going to always notice porta potties out there. Maybe you want to add a porta potty rental service to your business. You know, also at construction sites, they got to move that equipment. Maybe you want to add a hauling service. Also at construction sites, you notice they have a lot of vehicles. Vehicles, you know, stay dirty. Maybe you want to add a pressure washing service, a fleet vehicle cleaning service. You know, nothing too major. You don't have to maybe detail their cars, but spread down, knock off all the excess dirt, you know, for a fleet of vehicles at a construction site. You're going to be dealing with subcontractors, roofers. You're going to be getting a lot of people that deal with waste, and you basically just got to see what type of service that they need. Maybe you want to add a trash can cleaning service for your residential people. Maybe you can also pressure wash their driveway, pressure wash their house. You can add that service. The point I'm trying to make is, when you start a dumpster rental business, you got a truck. Your truck makes you your money, and your dumpsters makes you your money. The more you can have your truck or dumpsters moving, the more money you'll make. Now, you don't have to immediately add a service when you're just starting out. I just want you to think about it and kind of see what the market calls for. me, for example, what I notice in my area is that residential people, sometimes they have stuff they need to be removed. It's not big enough for them to rent a dumpster, but also it's too small for the junk removal to come out because they're gonna get charged an arm and a leg. And the customer actually gave me this idea subconsciously. They didn't realize it, but I was talking to a customer one time, and this what made me add the service. I was talking to a customer one time, and this is what he said. He said, I have a few things I need to be removed. Now, the cheapest dumpster I came across is $250. Also, the cheapest junk removal company is charging me $280. And he didn't even have that much stuff. So, he called me, and that was his problem. And that was like my first customer. I said, well, I can do it for $150. And it was just like a bed. It was a bed and a dresser and like 2 frames. And it took me 15 minutes to load it up. So that's when I realized in my market, okay, people need stuff removed. So I'm gonna add removal services to my dumpster rental business. So if you need a mattress removed, you need a couch removed, you need those single items or a few items removed, and it's not enough for a dumpster per se, but it's too small of a job for a junk removal company to even waste their time with. So let me show you. I have 4 mattresses I have to pick up today. I just picked up one. Let's jump out and show you real quick. So this is one mattress that I picked up. I have 3 more of these to pick up, and I charge $75 to remove a mattress. I charge $75 to remove a mattress, and I charge $150 if it has bed bugs. So I have a total of 4 of these to pick up. What's that? $300, and I have no dumpster rental today. So by adding that service to my business, I was able to maximize my profit, and this works in my community. So it may not work for you in your community or where you at, but this works in my market. Guy told me that somebody wanted to charge him, a junk removal company is going to charge him $200 just to remove a mattress, right? And that's because they got a team of guys, they got gas, so they got to make it work for them. But that leaves this customer with a problem, and I solved the problem. And that's a lot of problems that I have in my community. So that's the services that I add. I have small, up to like 4 or 5 things, junk removal, and the maximum I charge is $150. As you guys saw that in my last video, I picked up that load for $150. A junk removal company would charge him $300. So that's the services I added to my business to maximize my profits. Now, if you're just starting out, you don't have to add a service immediately. I just want you to keep that in the back of your mind, so you can grow and scale your business like I plan on. Also, if you have other things you need to do, if you have other businesses, or your time is needed elsewhere, then you don't really have to worry about adding services, because dumpster rental money is just money on the side anyway. But if you plan on growing and scaling and being a full-time business owner for dumpster rentals, I recommend thinking about a service that your community needs, and I recommend adding that to your business so you can maximize your profits. I made $300 today. Probably gonna take me about an hour total, and to take out gas, maybe $20 for gas, and I'm looking at $280, and my business was able to make $280 today, and I have no rentals. So I want you guys to think about that. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.